Hi, Hemant sir. How are you doing
Hello, hello,
today?
hello. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, sir. And thank you so much for giving your precious time, sir, out of your busy schedule. I'm glad that we have this meeting today.
Pleasure is mine. Thank you so much.
So, how was your day, sir, today?
My day was very busy today. I was auditioning for a
I understand.
few projects, and then I had a class also, acting class also. So I
Okay.
conducted that class, and I have another live at around 5:45. So
Okay.
very
That's
busy.
wonderful, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Yeah,
I do understand, sir. You're giving your time out of your busy schedule.
yeah.
And let's start this conversation, sir.
Let's do
I'll
this.
introduce myself. Yes, sir. My name is Manish, and I'm actually based in Delhi, and I'm by profession I'm advocate in Delhi
Oh,
in
lovely.
High Court.
Wow.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So we are
Yes,
covered.
and yes, yes, right,
Yeah,
yes. So, and I am personally a big fan of yours.
thank
Apart
you.
from that, yeah, my family members, my niece, nephew, they are big fan of yours.
Give my love to
So
all of
they
them.
especially. Yes, they are very, very young, and they really wanted me to do this interview with you.
Oh, lovely.
And yes, so sir, let's start because this meeting is specially for you.
Thank you.
So if
Thank
you
you.
can just tell us about, yes, if you can tell us about yourself, how's your journey started in acting and in writing, and about your family. If you can just tell us about,
Yeah, sure.
that will be great.
I belong to a family of teachers and farmers. My Dadaji was farmer and my father was a farmer come teacher. My mother was
Okay,
also teacher. And I
okay,
belong to that family. And I studied in a school called Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, a
okay,
central government run school. And I have completed my 12th from there. And then
okay,
I did my BSc chemistry because when I was it's about 20 years back, the media was not this big and we were not, my parents were not exposed to anything like that. So
right,
I was not allowed to choose the field of acting then. So I had to
okay,
do my BSc, and then I went for a drama course for 1 year at Performing Arts Faculty, MS University, Baroda. And then I went to
right,
National School of Drama. And from National
yes,
School of Drama, I went to Mumbai in 2003 to pursue my career in acting. But somehow things couldn't work out, and I land up as a writer. I started writing a lot of non-fiction shows, starting from Shabash India to, India's Best Dramebaz and Just Dance, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, all of them.
yes,
So I did creative direction, writing, act direction, training actors and stuff like that. And then in 2016, I decided to start doing films. So I trained, I couldn't get a chance to act in film, but I got a chance to coach actors. And I started coaching actors for films. So I have coached a lot of actors in films like Mitro and Notebook. And
right, yes, sir, I know that.
yeah, so and then I got offer for this show. They auditioned
Mhm.
me for this, and I got selected. And then
Yes,
we shot for around 7 months, and
okay,
we finished our shooting just before the lockdown started in March.
okay,
And then they did the edit and post production process while the lockdown was going on, and
okay,
that's how it is. And now the series is in
yes,
front
sir.
of people and people are loving it, and I'm very, very humbled and grateful for that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great series, sir, I must say. It has a great rating on IMDb as well, and people are liking it like anything.
Yeah.
Uh, and your role, especially in this series, is also a great role, what you have done. And people are liking this. And sir, as I know, you are a great student of school, National School of Drama, and you have a great experience of 16 years in film industry, and you are a great coach as well. You have coached, assisted Ritik Roshan, Ayushman Khurrana, and a great celebrities in your career.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's great to have you
I haven't
and
coached Ritik and Ayushman, but I've given them my personal assistant as a writer, and
okay,
I worked on with them on reality shows. I have coached actors
okay,
like Jackie Bhagnani, Pranutan Bahal, Nupur Senan,
mhm,
Zahir Iqbal, Allu Sirish. All of them I have coached, but with Ritik and Ayushman, I was kind of with them on their scripts for a show called Just Dance. Yeah.
yes. And sir, tell us about your writing skills as well, sir. You are into writings as well. So
Yes,
what
yes.
kind of yes,
I wrote a lot of scripts for a lot of non-fiction and fiction shows for television, and I always wanted
mm,
to write films. So I have wrote few scripts to be made by me, of course.
mm,
And I like to write stuff which is high on content and low on budget. I really
okay,
like Akira Kurosawa. I really like Rajkumar Hirani. I really like the style of Rishikesh Mukherjee. So my writing is
mhm,
more on those lines, which is, the idea reaches to many people in very light-hearted, very humorous, very happy-go-lucky kind of style that I follow. Yeah, that
yeah,
is that
that's
is my
great, sir.
style.
Sounds good.
And
Yes,
why
sir.
I
And
when
sir,
yeah,
mm,
yeah. Yeah,
sorry
go
to
ahead.
interrupt you, sir.
Go
Yeah,
ahead.
go ahead.
No, I was
No, no,
just
I'm sorry, sir.
saying that I was not a trained writer, so I had to
Mhm,
write and rewrite a lot to train myself as a writer. So writing is a process
okay.
where you need to write and then rewrite a lot.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Uh, so that's true, sir. That's very true. And you have a very different writing skill as well, sir. Can you please tell us how's your experience working with this Hans Lal Mehta, great director?
Oh,
Because
amazing,
he work on a
amazing.
different concept. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
he
yeah.
work on a different concept of movies
Hansal
like
Mehta
Simran.
sir is
Mm,
a great director to work with. Why? Because his whole process is performance oriented,
okay,
and he gives a lot of freedom to his actors to explore their characters and do whatever they feel like, and he doesn't bind you a lot. He doesn't tie you a lot. So that is what I
okay,
loved about his process, and the experience was amazing.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Because he have a different concept working in Bollywood, and so that's what I was asking. And sir, apart from this, what is your future perspectives in Bollywood? What kind of movies and series you're expecting to do so?
I'm right now accepting. Right now, I still have to go through audition process, unfortunately, and
Mhm.
I'm going through it. But right now, I'm looking at things which are, different from what I have already done. So I'm
Okay.
looking at more thrilling roles, more of comedy, more of, stuff
Mhm.
which is different from what I did as Ashwin Mehta. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. And sir, if I'll ask about your personal life, what's your hobbies and who all are there in your family right now?
I have a wife, my parents are there, and I have two kids. One is 13-year-old, one is
Okay.
9 years old. And
Okay.
my favorite pastime is reading, writing, watching films. I watch a lot of films, and I love
Okay.
farming. I am from a farmer
Mhm.
family, and I have planted around 3,000, 4,000 trees in my farm. And
That's great, sir.
yeah, I believe a lot in nature conservation. I like to do organic farming. I don't put pesticides and fertilizers in my farm. uh, so that is mainly my and I'm in a lot of spirituality also. So those are
Okay.
my favorite things to do. I talk a
Yes.
lot. Yeah, so
That's good, sir.
yeah.
Because you are in such industry that if you are a good speaker, it matters a lot. And
Yeah, absolutely.
you have that skill, sir. Everyone is liking that. And
Yeah.
so yes.
No problem.
Sir, can you? Yes. So can you, sir, tell me about uh, I was not prepared actually for this interview. It is my
No problem.
niece. Yeah. So I'm a little bit hopeless as well. What
No
should I
problem.
ask? Yes, sir.
Ask me anything. Ask
So
me about my favorite color. That's blue.
that's wonderful,
Yeah.
sir. And sir, you are from Gujarat, right? Gujarat, Surat.
Yes, yes, yes. I am from Gujarat, Surat, but there is a funny story about it that Gujarati
Mm-hmm.
people never consider me Gujarati, and
Mm-hmm.
why? Because I speak very good Hindi, and whenever
Oh,
I
okay.
am in my hometown, people start speaking to me in Hindi because I've stayed
Okay.
a lot in North and I've trained myself. I stayed in Delhi for 3 years while I was doing National School of Drama. There, I used
Okay.
to hear a lot that your diction has a lot of Gujarati in it. So I corrected it
Mm-hmm.
so much that now people feel that I am non-Gujarati. And
Okay.
my surname is Kher, and Khers are mostly from
Yes.
Kashmir or from Punjab. So people
Okay.
take me as Punjabi or Kashmiri. So there is
Okay.
this fun incident that when I got casted for a scam, Hansal sir was
Mm-hmm.
not ready to believe that I am Gujarati till the time he didn't listen to me. And when he
Mm-hmm.
heard me speaking Gujarati, uh,
Okay.
he got convinced that I'm Gujarati.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. No, I have watched your other interviews as well. That you are speaking in Gujarati, and that was also very amazing to watch.
yeah.
So, sir, how's your bonding with Harshit Mehta in movies?
Wonderful. Pratik Gandhi is an old friend. I have coached him for
Mhm.
two, three films, and we gelled really well, and that
Mhm.
worked a lot on the sets also. Uh,
Mhm.
we had great bonding. We used to carry our own food from home, and people
Okay.
started doing that. They started following us, and by the end
Mhm.
of the shoot, everyone started getting their food. We are Gujjus. We love food like Punjabis,
Right.
and
Right. Right.
yeah. So we were very particular about our food and our dabba and all. So we used to get it, and I used to eat from his tiffin. He used to eat from my tiffin. So we had a great bonding with Pratik. Yeah.
Okay. And sir, how did you spend your lockdown time period, sir? Because it
Oh,
was very
I
difficult for everyone.
Yeah, it was very
Yeah.
difficult for everyone, but I enjoyed my lockdown period a lot. First of all,
Mhm.
I never got chance to stay at my hometown for such a long period of time. Now I have been staying here since last 7, 8 months, and I could visit my farm a lot. I could stay with my parents a lot. I could eat home cooked food a lot. And I worked a lot while the lockdown was going on. I did 30 sessions of free acting coaching on Facebook live. I
Okay.
did lot of videos. I made lot of videos of acting coaching. I made videos with my kids also, and I wrote a lot while that period. I was little lazy about exercises and all. That I couldn't do,
Mhm.
and I really regret that I should have done that also, but I couldn't do that. Nevertheless, I have done lot of
Mhm.
other activities while I was in lockdown, so I it never got boring for me. It was like a vacation for me because I have been always working. I was working as a writer, as a creative director, as an acting coach. So my cycle was always rolling. I was quite happy about lockdown. Everybody was very bored, and everybody was like complaining that why this happened. But I was one of those happy people who I'm little chilled out, little stay at home kind of person. So I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Right.
I
Right.
watched a
Because
lot
it
of,
was very tough time period
yeah, yeah,
for
yeah,
everyone.
everyone, yeah, yeah. But it was fine with me. I
Okay.
enjoyed it completely.
That's wonderful. Sir. Sounds great.
Yeah.
So, apart from this, sir, who is your favorite actor in Bollywood?
My favoriteest actor in Bollywood, two of them have passed away. One of them is Irfan Khan, whom I always admire
Yes.
and I look
He's
up
a great
to.
actor.
Yeah, it was a great loss, and I always feel that if I could match his craft, I would be very good. And Om Puri Sahab, I used to, I really love him as an actor. Apart from Irfan Bhai and Om Puri Sahab, I am immensely in love with Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin
Okay.
Siddiqui, and Kamal Hassan is one of my favorite actor. And Daniel D. Lewis is he's not from Bollywood, but he's one of my favorite
Yes.
actor. I like work of Deepak Dobriyal also a lot, and my latest
Okay.
favorite is Pratik Gandhi.
Yes. He is for everyone now
Yeah,
after Scam 1992.
absolutely. I
Uh,
feel privileged that I get some time to
mm,
spend with him on sets, and I could learn a few things from him. So yes, he's my favorite actor. I like a lot of
mm,
Vijay Varma's work also. I like. Uh,
okay.
yeah, I like work of Vicky Kaushal also. So there are
Yeah.
many.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is it audible, is it audible to you, sir?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Go ahead.
Okay. Yes, sir. So, one
Somebody's
actor with whom
saying
you would like.
Kem Cho. I would like to say Majama Majama.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, tell me.
Somebody
Go ahead with your
they're
question.
asking. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, love from
Sorry for that.
Kosamba. Happy. Thank you.
Love from Kutch.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
okay. Yes. Everyone loves you, sir. After this scam and
So,
prior to this
so
one,
kind
yeah.
of, kind
Yes.
of everyone. Yeah. Somebody's
Uh,
saying, Hemant Kher, please check the inbox. Yes, I'll do that. Pranav Goodigar. Yes, I'll do that. Sure. Yeah,
okay.
go ahead with your
Uh,
question, brother.
no, I was asking, sir. I was asking one actor with whom you would like to work, and you wish to work with.
Nawaz Bhai, for sure. I want to work with
No,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Yeah,
yes.
I'm dying to work with him if he allows me to. If God's
Mm-hmm.
kind enough, I would like to work with Rajat Kapoor for sure.
Raj Kapoor. Okay.
Yeah, I found great connect with him. I would like to work with Manoj Vajpayee sir again.
Okay.
Not again. I would definitely like to work with him, and I would like to work with Pratik Gandhi as well whenever the chance comes. Yeah.
So, who
Actually, I
was
want to
your
work
best
with all
set
the
buddy, sir?
actors.
Yeah.
My best set buddy was Hansal sir and Pratik. Because
Yes.
my most of the scenes were with Pratik, and Chirag Vora was
Mhm.
also my the one who is playing Bhushan. And Jai
Okay.
Upadhyay, how could I forget him? Jai was the one who is playing Pranav. We used to
Mhm.
chill a lot together.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Somebody's asking
nowadays,
your next project, so I want to say that my next project I don't know yet. Waiting for some.
somebody's asking, Nawaz sir is love and Manoj sir too. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. Sir, give me a moment, please. Okay. I'm losing.
Yeah, 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 yeah. There is some issue with Instagram today. I think a lot of lives are happening, and Instagram is not able to
Uh,
cope. Yeah, go on. Yeah, no problem.
yes. Sorry, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Yeah,
So I think that's enough for today, sir. Thank you so much for
thank you.
giving your precious time,
Thank you.
and thank you so much for your love and support.
Thank you.
Uh, yes, and my best wishes are with you, sir. In future, I would like to see you in Bollywood with great roles. And thank you so much for giving your precious time, sir. You have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Take
And
care, sir.
thank you to
Take care.
everybody who was here with us. Thank you, everyone. And I love Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya for being so supportive, all the alumni of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and everybody, all of my fans and friends, and you all. Thank you so much. We are here because of you. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir. You're very humble and kind. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this live session. Uh, Thank you so much for support, sir. Thanks. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Yes.